Hi, today we are going to see package manager in Python. So in Python we are able to install many packages by using this pip package. So pip is not just a package manager, it will very useful when we are using Python. We are able to import many packages from various sources. So this is very helpful, like it will manage all the packages, like whatever package we need, the future module, it's just a module we can say. So what is pip? So that is a pip. So in any installed Python computer, if you check pip version, we are able to see the version name. So that is a so after Python 3.4, pip is default package for all the Python installation. So now most of them having pip packages whenever you install Python. So here we can see package, it's a package manager, or we can say it's a module. So after 3.4, that is a by default it will be automatically installed. So the package is nothing, it holds many files with for it has many features. Like if you check for MediaPy, it has that media related all the codes and all, it will be grouped together, that is called module. So if we can check by Python, how is that already available in our system by pip -version. So we will know the pip is installed or not. It will simply say the version name and then installed path. So that is the version checking. So if you want to add a new package in our system, means what we have to do, that was very simple and then easy. So just pip install camel case, enter. So it will start downloading camel case and then trying to install. It is fine. Now camel case is installed in our system. So if we check, so this is another one command. This will tell you what are all the pip packages we have installed. So by default these three will be available ever in every Python. So this is what we have installed, camel case, that is version 0.2. Pip has many other commands as well. If we want to know the camel case package details, we can simply say pip show camel case, enter. Then it will simply we will know, okay, this is what where it is installed, that details it will give us. So next step, we have to consume that package, right? How we can consume? We are able to import that particular camel case into the our programs, like so here import camel case, that is imported. So after that we can write one small thing. So this will help us how this package is working, that kind of details. So see, we used just hello world, everything is in small letter. After that, see that hump, so it just converted to this kind of word, capital letter values. So that is what camel case. And then okay, if you decided, okay, I don't need this module anymore, so I want to uninstall that package, means that is also very simple. Pip uninstall camel case, enter. That's it. It will ask you, do you want to remove? Yes, I want to remove it. That's it, already installed. Pip list, you can check the command. So there is no package. So this is how you are able to list and then check pip package. Likewise, we are able to install many things. This is just an example. You can explore more. Okay, thank you.